Oh yeah, that pack just touched down. And you know who it's from. I've been waiting all week for this. All week. And it's finally here. Just touched down. So you know what we gotta do. We gotta let y'all see it first as we unbox it. You feel me? Damn. I don't even know what's inside, but I know it's from one of my favorite players of all time. You feel me? Of all time.
Irving and Curry, one-on-one. Irving puts it up. It's good. Kyrie Irving from downtown.
And I didn't think our reach would hit this far, but it did, and we finally got a package from Kyrie Irving himself. We just gotta see what's inside. Yeah. Ooh. That's it right there, my boy. Kyrie, man, hold up. With the wood grain on the box. Yeah, man, it's a Texas thing, but I'm rocking with it. You know what I'm saying? I like the outside, how it look. You know what I'm saying? Add it to the collection. But this bag right here, this purple bag, I'm definitely rocking with it. See what these shoes look like. I cannot lie. The details on these shoes, you know, I ain't gonna cap y'all down. I'm gonna let y'all know what it is. The suede mixed with the leather and the mesh. Oh yeah, this one-on-one. This one-on-one. And I can wear this like with anything. Anything purple. Anything purple, but I could definitely wear these. You see the laces on these? Man, come on, man. It don't get no better. The design down to the bottom of the sole. And you know it's coming from somebody that cleans shoes on a daily. We clean shoes on a daily. And I'm telling you right now, with these shoes right here, I don't see no flaws that'll mess up. Once we spray that protector on it, it's over with. You know what I'm saying? Rain, sleet, or snow, mud, and we go to a concert. We go to a concert with these shoes on, and nothing won't happen. That's good quality material. Good quality material. Great quality material. Now the real test and see if they're comfortable, because not too many basketball shoes is comfortable out there that I rock with. But these, oh yeah, I can tell. I can tell by the insoles and also the structure of the shoe, for sure. Because it looks like it's narrow in the front, but oh yeah, that's how I like my shoes. Nasty, boy. Shout out to Kyrie, boy. You got you one. Now it's time for the real test. Now we finna see if it's comfortable. You know what I'm saying? This the moment of truth. That's what y'all been waiting for. You jumping out the gym with these, you jumping out the gym. You feel me? These hoes nice now. These hoes nice.